Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the Magicbricks Scraper Tool help you collect property leads automatically. First, install the Real Estate Scraper Tool from the Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome extension in your browser. After installing the extension, a simple form will open to activate the free trial. Fill in your basic details and start your free trial. Then free version is started. Now open real estate website Magicbricks. Search for what you need, rent or buy, projects or listings, and apply filters like location, budget, or property type. Once the results load, copy the full page URL from your browser and then open the real estate scraper tool and select the magic brick and paste URL into search box and click start process. The tool will automatically start extracting property data. You can see live progress. You can see and here. And after stopping the process, then the data is downloaded instantly as a CSV file. You can use this file for sales marketing, CRM, or lead management. That's it. Simple, fast, and no manual work. Thanks for watching.